Afternoon, friends. Drew here in beautiful Westchester, Pennsylvania, in the village of Shannon and houses off Longford Road. And client called us because they were having a hard time trying to find a roofer who could take care of a roof leak for us. Some of their pipe collars had gone bad. We got up on the roof and we found a couple of things that are a little bit scary that maybe you want to be aware about if you live in the neighborhood. Let's take you upstairs and show you what we found. So we found the source of their leak. The pipe collars had definitely died. These are usually good anywhere from 8 to 15 years on a roof, and when the roofs get older than that, the sun just beats on these harsh, and eventually the rubber cracks out, water lands on the outside of this and runs down, gets down in your roof. They got the same problem down there at the bottom. Now, when we got up here, I looked around at the other houses, and we can see that the neighbors have already had theirs done. Not my favorite style of patch, because this really is just kind of a Band-Aid over the top. That's okay if the pipe collar's in good shape, but once they're cracked through, and they're as bad as this one is, makes me nervous just throwing a Band-Aid over the top, because you've lost the integrity here. And we've got other videos on our site here about sacrificial boots. If we put a new pipe collar in, we can put a sacrificial boot over it. And that helps you if you got more than about 10 years worth of life left in your roof. It'll just go to protect that and buy you that extra time that you're gonna need to get through the remainder of life of your roof. But I'll show you the other piece I was talking about. We come up here and I look at the neighbors in the other direction, and I'm gonna spin the camera around, that several of these have also cracked through all the way across. Now, I haven't talked to these homeowners, so I'm not gonna go traipsing across their roofs to look, but as I look across the rest of the apartment complex, I can see from here damage over on this roof where theirs are cracked. Every one of these is starting to rust out, and if they use the same collar and they're all put on at the same time, there's a pretty good chance that most folks in this neighborhood, if you haven't already addressed this issue, you need to, and you need to do it soon. And as I just look across at all of the homes that are in here, there's a potential for a lot of you to be having these types of problems, assuming these were all built about the same time, with the same shingles, the same roofing manufacturer, the same company that put them all in, and the same pipe collar. So wanted to make you aware of that. What we're gonna do on this job is we're gonna take and disassemble the shingles. We're gonna loosen these up here. We're gonna pop them apart, take the nails out, pull everything down so we can get this collar out. We've got 2 brand new collars ready to go on. And so this will be one of the 3-inch varieties. And I don't see this roof having more than 10 years life left in it, so we're probably not gonna bother with the sacrificial boots, but we could put those down over these just as an extra layer of ultraviolet sun protection to keep those sun rays off of this to help it last a little bit longer. But I have a feeling you'll be replacing the roof before you get to that point where that would be helpful. So we've got this one here to do. We got one down there at the bottom. And if you're in the neighborhood and you need some help with your roof, give our team a call. We have a dedicated office staff standing by weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, your full-service construction and renovation company, and extension 2. For new projects, there's nothing that we don't do. Roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, anything on the interior of your home, kitchens, bathrooms, basements, plumbing, electrical, drywall, spackle, paint, build your custom dream house, an addition, or garage. Let us know what problem we can solve for you. Take a picture of it, send it to us right here on our Facebook page. Click that contact us banner at the top. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, the notifications bell, click like on this video, leave us a comment down below, ask us a question about what we're working on or a problem you're having at your house, and we'll be happy to assist you with that. 𝗗𝘁 Construction is a Pennsylvania registered and licensed home improvement contractor number 88078 and licensed in Newcastle County, Delaware 10490. Remember, we're finished with it. You're gonna be proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We'll catch you in the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.